Hello again. If you've been watching Weatherview over the last few nights, you'll know that we've been talking a lot about tropical cyclones in the western Pacific. Now, Chatan has moved very, very close to Japan now, and it has brought with it some devastating weather. It has been very windy and exceptionally wet, 107 millimetres of rain in some spots in just 12 hours. Now, it's also been very wet indeed in parts of Bangladesh. In fact, a quarter of the land has been flooded. Up to 12 centimetres of rain fell yesterday along upstream parts of the Brahmaputra and Ganges. And you can see on the satellite picture all the cloud that's brought all the heavy rain, not just across Bangladesh, but also across northeast India. And it's going to stay exceptionally wet at times in these areas over the next couple of days. So we're expecting further thunderstorms in Dhaka on Thursday and Friday. And we have had some thunderstorms a little bit closer to home, in fact across the United Kingdom on and off throughout the day on Wednesday, but some very wet weather indeed moved across France and is now travelling up across parts of Denmark. Now in France, for example, we had an inch of rain in one or two spots. That's half the July average rainfall, but that very unsettled weather will move a little bit further towards the east during the day on Thursday. I think our summer has migrated south, a lot of fine dry weather through the Mediterranean. So let's move across that mass of cloud, bringing all that wet weather to France, to us here in the United Kingdom, where it's certainly been pretty showery throughout the day on Wednesday, and it's going to be very similar on Thursday. So we start the day dry and bright in many areas. Having said that, from the word go, there'll be showers in some western and southern areas, and during the morning into the afternoon, those shower clouds will build up, and there will be some heavy downpours yet again, and there could even be the odd thunderstorm. But I think during the afternoon it'll tend to dry out and brighten up towards the south coast. Now, in any sunshine between those showers, temperatures should reach 19 or 20 degrees Celsius. In the strong sunshine at this time of year, that shouldn't feel too bad. But of course, as the showers pass by, the temperature will drop several degrees. And then on Friday, well, we're concerned about an area of low pressure. It is going to track up from the southwest, and it looks like it is going to bring some cloud and rain into southern areas. It certainly looks like it's going to rain across many parts of southern England and South Wales, but we can also see that cloud and rain moving a little bit further north as the day goes on. To the north, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, there'll be a mixture of sunshine and showers. Then on Saturday, well, it looks like there could be some cloud and rain in southeastern areas to start with, but that is going to move away. And for many, Saturday will be a dry day, spells of sunshine and temperatures up to about 22 degrees. Don't get too excited though, it doesn't look like it's the start of summer. We are going to see more cloud and rain moving in towards the west later on. Then on Sunday, weather fronts slip down from the northwest, bringing with them a band of cloud. Now, it doesn't look like there's going to be an awful lot of rain on that, but it will be a band of cloud slipping towards the southeast. To the north, a mixture of sunny spells and just one or two showers. Goodbye.
You know the headlines.
Chris Evans has been sacked by Virgin Radio, the station he once owned.
Chris Evans has been fired. But here's the story.
George Michael has been charged with committing a lewd act in a park toilet.
From the real headline makers.
We suddenly realised we've been sitting on a very big story indeed.
It's the media machine.
This News of the World sting almost destroyed her.
Stripped bare. My Worst Week, Tuesday at 10:35 on BBC One Scotland. Unbelievable.
Making an emergency landing, BBC One Scotland's at the airport in half an hour. First on BBC One Scotland with signing and subtitles, we're out and about with Tomorrow's World.